Beautiful people, today I'm cooking from frozen because today I was not supposed to cook at all, so I'm having this seafood mix and I'm making a carbonara, but I was not supposed to cook at all today. The weather is bad and I just wanted us to have sandwiches and tea, but due to bad weather I'll have to drain this. Let me just quickly drain this. Adding some flavor in there, but I didn't prepare this meal. Wanted to add some bacon bits, but now the bacon is frozen and it's thick chunks. There's no way I'll defrost them and still keep the flavor. I don't want to microwave them, so I'm going to use something here, something Spanish. This in the fridge for long, so I'll be using a chorizo just to have that smokiness. So I'm just going to cut this. Maybe I'll use this much. So I'm going to flake it in here so that it can cook together. But as I said, I want all the liquids to reduce, because these frozen seafood are already parboiled or cooked, so I just don't want to overcook it. But I think the water is enough now, ain't it? Chorizo in, flaked and in there. The water is enough to soak, and I'm going to add olive oil. And I'll add a dollop of butter now, and garlic powder. Just added a garlic powder there with the butter, a whole spoon, big spoon of butter. Is it too hot? Let me reduce the heat a bit. I'm also planning since I did not use fresh garlic. Oh gosh, this thing needs a lot of oil, it seems. Italian seasoning, a whole lot of it. And a quick question: why do food always finish the last week of month end, and then one has to suffer? And then one has to suffer. The color looks great. Oh my gosh, my pen is becoming sticky. I think it's the garlic powder, because it's like flour. Not garlic salt, it's garlic powder. Let me add the cream, because I wanted to add onions, white onions, but it's not allowing me that. Add cream, because it's cooking faster than I anticipated because of the garlic powder. I'll clean the tap later with the milk. It's on low heat, but my poor pen is sticky. I don't know why. Let me add milk. Adding the milk. I'll just add a lot. Oh my. I'll just add the whole cup. And then just let it simmer off quickly. I just added dry parsley. Yeah, I do use dry herbs. And chili flakes. So I'm going to add cheese today. I'm going to add cheddar cheese. Hope it works out well, because I do not have the desired cheese. This is shredded cheddar cheese, and I know I'm just afraid it will make those white particles, like when you put like vinegar in milk. Let me just reduce the heat totally, because I'm cooking egg noodles on the side. It came out well. I thought it will be flaky. Then I'll add the whole one. I'm having an eggplant in there, which I wanted to use the cheese for. Yeah, the egg noodle discs cooking off nicely. Having it ready, my pen is just too small. I need a wok. My pen is just too small sometimes. Adding the pasta. Egg noodles, so I'm going to turn them in nicely. I reserve some pasta water here, which I think I will need. Let me just put all of it in. And it's having some pasta. Okay, let me just stir it in nicely. I'm having it all under control, so let me just dish it up. Oof, and the taste. Chaw. I'm having some green onions sprouting outside, so let me just go get and garnish.